guys, I'm vlogging today. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm actually on my way to pick up my sister. Surprise, surprise. It's what I do every time I vlog, pick up my sister. But don't worry, we're not going to the zoo today. Okay, so actually today, Riley has a doctor's appointment. Yep, you have a doctor's appointment, right? What's the doctor gonna do?
Listen to my heart.
That's right, he's gonna listen to her heart because on Riley's 3-year well visit, the pediatrician heard a murmur. So obviously we're pretty sure it's an innocent murmur, but just to be 100% safe, we're gonna go ahead and have her tested. We're gonna have an echo done, and the doctor's gonna listen to the cardiologist. Pediatric cardiologist is gonna listen to her heart and determine, say, yep, it's an innocent murmur, you're good to go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're on our way to go pick up Misty now. All right, guys, so we are now at Haley's school getting ready to drop her off. And, oh yeah, by the way, I picked them up. I said it on the way here, I was picking you guys up, but I never said, oh, I picked them up. They're here. So, and, yeah. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. We're dropping her off, then we're headed to 95 to head on the road to get to the pediatrician. Cardiac, whatever. You'll see when we get there. All right, Riley, what just happened? What'd they do?
They check my ears.
They did.
Ears.
They didn't check your ears.
Not yet.
What'd they do on your belly? Did they put stickers on you? Okay, so Riley just had her EKG. I think that's what it was, or EEG, one of those, where they put the stickers all over and then listened to it, or read it, pulled out a little paper, her heart print out, yeah, her heartbeat. Now we're just waiting in the room for the doctor to come in, and then she said they may do an ultrasound. I'm not sure. I don't want that.
Okay, Mommy, come closer to the bed. We're gonna go up again. Now move your chair closer. I don't want you to be hurting yourself.
Daniel Tiger. Oh, look up there.
Wanna see?
There's your heart.
That's your liver.
Ooh, your liver. What did she make you? Look, look. Oh my goodness. Is that funny? Where's his eyebrows at? Where's his eyebrows? Yep. Where's his hair? He's got crazy hair. Can you see his brain? Was you looking for his brain in there? That's funny. So how'd it go, Riley? Say, good. Good? Yeah? You liked it? She took Riley away.
No, I don't want
Alright, well,
Okay, let's go
you probably
listen.
overheard me saying this, that
Cool.
you know, peace of mind is,
Yep.
No. No.
Alright guys, so Riley, of course, like I thought, got a perfect bill of health. She does have a innocent murmur, and she will grow out of it, just as I thought. We just stopped and got some Zaxby's down there. It's my first time eating there. It was pretty good. Alright, so now we're at this park that's got like some little barns over there, and
Got a
then
little lake.
Yeah, like a little lake. And we're gonna go over to the lake because this lake, you can stick your feet in the water and minnows will come eat
not
your toes. So let's go see.
Let's
Let's go see if they're hungry. Alright, we made it. This is the lake. We're gonna stick our toes in.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Hi.
Yeah, it does. Every time we come, it looks different. Now, when we were kids, we would come to this lake, what, every weekend almost? And we would swim. Almost every weekend. Looks a little darker than normal. Yeah.
Go.
Okay, shoes off. All right, here we go. Let's pull up the pants. Oh, I see them. Ew, it's really mushy. Ew.
Slimy.
Okay, stay right there, Riley.
Come on, little fishies.
I don't even know if you guys can see the little fishies. Can you see them swimming around? Don't scare them. See the little babies? Look. Don't go too far in.
Ew, my feet.
This is a little bit wider. Let's try right here.
Yeah, true.
Oh my god.
Come on, little fishies. Come on, little fishy, fishy, fishies.
Oh, little fishy, fishies.
Very, very
Oh, God.
What is
Snapping turtle.
Where?
He's right there. See him? See him?
Oh, yeah. That could have been our toes.
Yeah, he would have definitely ate our toes. I just seen him coming. I was like, oh, God.
An alligator. I'm like, what? Did you see an alligator? Look up. You got big teeth. He'll take your toe off.
Yeah. See him? Do you see the turtle there?
That's a turtle. You see it?
He'll bite your toes.
Look, he's coming to see us.
He said, oh, that's people. I'm getting out of here. They'll eat me. Oh, there's another one. There's another one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. There's a lot of turtles in
No
here.
wonder they say swim at your own risk.
Snapping turtles will eat you. Look at all the fish right there.
Yep.
Just fish.
Those are big
Oh, they're
fish.
running. Look. He thinks he's going to get fed.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm zoomed in like major.
I ain't got no food for you, buddy. That is a big snapping turtle.
Yeah, I seen him coming. I was like, oh, God.
People probably across the way are probably like, look at these.
Look. Something's coming. Another one.
Another turtle. That's a little
There's
one.
another one right there.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
And there's another one there.
Oh, my arm.
Hold on. Now.
Well, guys, that was a fail this time. Unfortunately, the turtle scared us.
Yeah.
And that is a soft shell snapping turtle.
Yeah.
You don't want that coming up and biting your toes.
There's a name why there's a
Yeah.
reason why they call them snapping turtles.
Yep. We found the goats. Erica Costello, you in there? Ew, what? Oh, that's a girl. She must have just recently had a little nervous.
Going, baby, go.
Let's see what else is over here.
Where?
Oh, we have another goat. 2 goats.
2 goats.
Hi, baby, go.
He's wanting to be pet.
Hi, little mommy, go.
Petting himself.
I was not gonna get out.
No, they might bite.
They might poop on you.
You think that's funny? Until they poop on you. Ooh, look, there's little baby turkeys.
Oh, yeah.
Look at them.
Hello, baby.
Those are baby turkeys. There's a big turkey. There's a big turkey in with the chickens.
Hello, little baby. Chicken.
Look at the little baby turkeys.
Aw.
Oh, look at the big turkey.
Look at, they're all coming. Where?
Holy crap, that one's huge.
Oh, yeah, he is big.
Aw.
That's what's going to be on Thanksgiving dinner table.
Yeah. Oh,
They're
we
so
got one
cute.
running.
That's
Oh,
funny. They like come
big
to
chicken.
That's a big turkey.
Oh, man, Riley. Look at that turkey.
He says, gobble, 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 gobble.
Remember another turkey bite me?
Yes.
Oh, he getting mad.
He's showing his feathers. Did you hear that?
I heard a rooster. I see a goose or a duck. Look at the ducks, Riley.
There's goose. Gooses.
Look at the goose.
Hello, goose.
Hi, little goose.
Hello.
Hello, pretty goose.
Hello.
Bop, bop.
It's a gander of gooses.
Bop, bop.
Riley said, bop, bop.